Hello, this is your friends at No Geek Speak. Today we're going to teach you a little bit about a cleanup files solution. How do you clean up all of those extra files on your computer, those files that just get in the way and seem to slow down your computer? We're going to go over that today. It's actually pretty simple. You're going to click, first of all, on the Start menu down at the bottom left. Then you're going to scroll up to Programs. And don't click, just let the next window pop up, the next menu pop up, and scroll over to Accessories. At Accessories, you're going to see System Tools. What we want to do is go into System Tools. And then what we're going to do is a disk cleanup. Down here is disk cleanup. It's the third one down in the menu. Directly below it is Disk Defragmenter. We will also be working with that. Disk Cleanup will select which disk, which drive on your computer you want to work with. The C drive is by default your main drive on your computer, and generally speaking the one that you would like to select. It's going to make a quick scan of your hard drive to verify what is available on the hard drive for resources and what could be cleaned up. We'll drag the window into the center here and check mark downloaded program files, temporary internet files, the recycle bin, other temporary files, and caches, and then also compress old files. If you want to know what files are in there before you clean this up, you need to hit View Files. The next thing that will come up is it will ask, are you sure you want to perform these actions? Simply click yes. This can take some time, in fact up to a couple of hours, depending on how long it's been since this was last done on your computer. So in the case of this computer, we do this every month or two, and that's a good rule of thumb, a good habit to get into once every month or two. The next thing that we're going to do is defragment the hard drive. After some time of downloading files, opening and closing programs, adding and removing programs, and other items like that, your hard drive becomes fragmented because when a file is placed on the hard drive, there's space on the hard drive that may be free, but not enough for the whole file. The hard drive will fill that space and then go to the next available space. So what we're going to do is clean this up, and it should make the computer go a lot quicker. You're going to go to the Start menu, to Programs, then to Accessories, and once again we're going to go to System Tools. We're going to go to Disk Defragmenter and select that. You can select which volume you'd like to defragment. The C drive is the main drive on the computer, so that's the one generally that you would want to defrag. We're going to hit Analyze first. Analyze will give you an idea of what the hard drive has for fragmentation, and it will give us a report, or if you simply want to skip the report, you can defragment. And that's what we'll do. The last thing that we are going to work on today is cleaning up the disk and error checking the disk. What we want to do is see if the disk, the hard drive, has any flaws, any parts of the physical hard drive that are failing that would cause data corruption or loss and system operating slowly. To do so, we're going to right-click on the Start button. We're going to then touch Explorer and then click on, with the right click, click on Local Disk, C, and go to Properties. Select Properties, and this will give you some details about your hard drive. Up at the top, you're going to go to Tools, and from Tools we do the first option, which is Error Checking, and click Check Now. We can automatically fix file system errors and scan for and attempt to remove or recover bad sectors. So I generally select both of these right from the get-go. Select Start. It's going to ask if we can restart the computer. Do you want to schedule this to do the eject disk next time we restart? Select Yes. And that should be done.